in village area it is very common, and 50 is very
Okay.
less count
Mhm.
for Bharati. I
Okay.
could say
Yes.
there are, I mean, before COVID, more than 100 Bharatis are always there in ceremony.
Okay. Hi, good evening.
Very good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. Looking pretty today.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And you too.
Thank you so much.
With this beautiful, colorful dress, the
Yes.
combination of purple and green, right?
Yes, true.
Yeah.
Okay. We continue with yesterday's conversation.
Yeah. Yeah. I would like to continue. Yeah.
Yes. Please continue. So we
Yes.
were,
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
so the ritual, you said that the boy comes and sees a girl, which is, in your opinion, it's not very healthy because you would not like that kind of environment where the girl has to showcase her talent or whatever. So after seeing a boy, selects a girl and the girl selects, does the girl have a say in this?
I think so. Nowadays, things have changed. It is
Okay.
not compulsory that the older rituals that we had
Mm-hmm.
previously, that we have to follow the same.
Mm-hmm.
I agree. The thing that nowadays the situation of girls or women's have changed,
Mm-hmm.
because I'm never forced to say yes for anybody.
Okay.
But
Okay.
yes, that is the part of our ritual, our custom.
Yes,
So
that's everywhere. The girl
yes.
sometimes will have a say. Sometimes she'll have to be told that, okay, fine, this is what it is. And it's
Mhm.
good if you can consider. So
Yes, yes,
it is everywhere. Fine.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but yes, that is the problematic situation where a boy or the boy's family comes into the house, and they pretend like in
They're the
extorting.
lords. They're the
Yes,
lords.
yeah, they are the lords. So this should not
This
happen, I
short
think.
stop. Yes,
Yes,
yes. This short stop. Okay.
yeah.
After a boy selects or everyone is happy about it,
Hmm.
then the next you decide on the date, and then all the events and everything gets organized.
Yes, yes.
So again, the boy's family, do they demand that the function should be, you should do it here and it should be like this, so many people will come? How is it?
No, no, these are not the problems, I guess, in at
Mm-hmm.
least in our culture. We are
Okay.
very simple person. I mean, like related to the person with particular caste.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have to face these such problems like
Okay.
dowry and yeah,
That's good. That's very good.
yeah.
Okay.
And we don't follow at all these things. If boy's family asks something, so we never ever prefer to do marriage in that family.
Okay. Okay. But
Yes.
in other part of India, I have seen that they demand and then they
Yes.
ask for,
Yes, especially in UP side, UP, Bihar. UP is very famous
yes,
for it.
yes,
Parent, because there is a mindset of the society as well. You can say like, suppose in a family
that
there are
too.
two children. One is girl and one is boy. So what they feel like, we have to give dowry. I mean, to boy's family. So
Okay.
what we do for it, we have to take dowry as well, so that we can
Okay.
maintain these things. So they just want to make their boy. I mean, cash their boy. I could say like they're a
Yes, I
yes,
have heard, I don't know how far it is true, but I have seen that, they have a tagline sort of a thing that
yes,
if
absolutely.
they have done this kind of education, they
And
would
that kind of
demand,
designation, if they
yes,
are a
they would
doctor,
demand,
so
yes,
there is a specific amount of
yes,
dowry.
the
If
demand, yes,
someone
demand is according to what the boy is earning.
position, yeah, position and
Yes,
designation, and the salary, on the basis of
yes,
their salary.
yes.
Yes, absolutely.
But it's not there in Chhattisgarh. That's quite good.
It happens, but like I mentioned that there are several community. They don't follow such things, but there are
Mhm.
such communities they follow the same.
Okay. Okay.
And
They
to
do
be more
demand.
specific, I could say the upper caste, the people who belong, so
Okay.
they are more bothered with this
It is
thing, I think.
very common in that region.
Yes.
Maybe. Yes.
Yeah, I'm not talking for everybody. Yeah, but this is my
Yes,
personal
but it is
experience.
there. I have also heard about it because many of our friends who belong to that region, we keep hearing all these things. And
Yes.
sometimes it's easy for the parents also because they only have this daughter. So they generally give it with happiness or, because they always
Yes.
say that this is the time she can enjoy. So why not?
Why
And
not?
this is
Yes.
what is going to happen. I mean, we have to give her everything. So why not now?
Yeah,
So
it should.
if that, yes, they should be willing to give, they should be happy to give, and whatever comes to their mind, they should be willing to share.
Yes.
But if it is being demanded, it's not correct.
It's not correct. Not correct, because that process will go on after marriage
Yes.
as well. Yes.
Yes.
And it happens. It happens. There is no doubt. If somebody asks for some money at the time of that ceremony, marriage ceremony, so definitely in future it will go on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So then everything is being decided that the wedding. Now we come to the wedding. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
How do you, which all functions do you have? How do you celebrate, and how many people generally take part? Is it only the close relatives or the whole village? How is it?
No. In our culture, marriage is a big ceremony, like for everybody. It is.
Okay.
But we call everyone who are related to our family, not only close people. I mean, the people who are not that close, they are also
Invited.
Yes.
Okay.
And like I mentioned yesterday, that our ceremony is for 5 days,
Yes.
or we can say 3 days as well. So mehendi and mehendi ceremony, haldi ceremony, and there are lots of ceremony. I don't explain exactly remember, yes, and how to explain, but I cannot recall. But the very first day when the ceremony is started, the groom
starts. You will say ceremony starts.
Ceremony starts. Yes. Yeah. So the groom or not allowed. Bride is not allowed to go out from the home.
Okay.
Yes.
They are not allowed to step out.
Yeah, they are not allowed to step out. Yeah. Then the rituals are going. Yeah, the rituals start. Yeah, the rituals start. So there are lots of small rituals, like haldi. That is the I think first ceremony, I could say.
Okay.
So we play haldi. Everybody put haldi to each other face, all over the body. This is kind of a festival which is related to Holi. Okay. Yeah. Then mehendi and
But here I had heard that even someone would come from the boys' side to the girls' side to give the haldi bowl, and the same way from the girls' side the haldi will go to the groom's side, and that only haldi should be put on his face or on his body and all. So
yeah,
is that the thing in your custom also, something related?
I don't know exactly, because I'm not I have never attended so closely any festival. I could say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is what I was asking one Bengali girl, and then she mentioned that yes, they take a bowl of haldi, and it is exchanged. Actually, it is exchanged, and that is what they say, that it comes from the other's family. So that is what.
Yeah, it depends on community as well, so there are different communities where in haldi ceremony they exchange so many things, like not haldi is one of the major thing, but some clothes and fruits and ring ceremony also would be there sometimes. Yes, and some cash as well. That is also the part of that.
That is also there, because in the wedding, yes, you have to exchange, you have to give gifts. So each one of them, whoever has attended or is going to attend, they would certainly get something.
Yeah, but
But
I would
that's
like to
part of it.
explain in our right now I can recall that specifically.
Yes.
That in haldi ceremony, I guess we call people those people, like those who are our neighbors and our relatives as well. They come to the house and we exchange nariyal. I mean,
Okay.
we
Coconut.
coconut, and some kind of snacks we provide from our side as a celebration. And this is the thing, that is something happens for in everyone, how should I say, like common
In all
ceremony,
communities,
common.
it is celebrated by all the communities. They have the same kind of
Yes, especially to be specific, in our place, like different in different communities. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the common ceremony. Yeah.
Okay. And then you have the mehendi and then the sangeet in the
Mehendi, sangeet. Yeah.
Okay.
But I think that nowadays become so trendy that mehendi and sangeet and some act as well. But we don't follow. We don't follow the same. Our ceremony is kind of simple.
Okay.
And we don't prefer that Bollywood style, I could say.
Okay, but do you have something simple version of Sangeet or anything where they have the local songs or folk songs or something?
Yes. Sangeet is a kind of thing that we cannot detach from the ceremony,
Yes.
right?
It is part and parcel of marriage.
Yeah. What is the sentence? Can you repeat?
It is the part and parcel of marriage ceremony.
Part and parcel.
Parcel of, yes.
Yeah, okay. Part and parcel of marriage ceremony.
The
yeah.
marriage, yes.
So we prefer our local Sangeet. And
kind of food, do you have any special food being, you treat people who have come for the marriage, do you treat them with special food, and is it non-veg or vegetarian? How is it? How does it go?
Vegetarian. We always go with vegetarian food.
Okay.
And more, if I talk about sweets, so sweets are a lot of no, sweets are always there to have. Okay. In large quantity, I could say. Different kind of sweets like bundi, rasgulla, and so on. And bada is very famous in our custom. I mean, in our ceremony. Bada, dal bada. Have you ever heard about this?
It is a fried thing, fried snack.
Yeah. Yes.
And
fried snack, puri, bada. So these are very common snacks. Yeah.
Okay. Good. And do you also have lunch and dinner to be, whenever, because the groom side, they would have come from somewhere outside, say from other station or
yeah. So we have to provide a kind of special, what should I say, like treat for them, like
yes,
special treat. So first of all, we serve them a breakfast, I mean a rich breakfast, and in that breakfast almost everything is there in their breakfast. Yeah. So after that they are provided, we provide them, I mean, a room or hotel, as you know. So they can
nowadays it has changed to hotels. Nowadays it has changed to hotels now.
Yes.
Because everywhere they cater for the hotels, because it becomes admin problems, they become less, and it is much more convenient for the girls' side.
But still, this is affordable for those only they have enough money. But those who are like mediocre in terms of having money, so they cannot provide these such things. In our culture, we always prefer our own house.
Okay.
Yeah.
But our houses will not be so big that we can accommodate so many people.
In city area it happens, but in the village area, everybody has quite enough space in their home, so they can manage. Okay. Yeah. Or either we can book some hall or some, that is provided in cheaper way.
So reasonable rates, it can be. Yeah. But tell me that then how many people from the groom side normally they come? Do they come in 20 or 30 in number?
No. even in this pandemic situation, people must be around 50, I mean, from the boys' side.
Okay.
But before
Because
the
50 is a
pandemic,
big number. 50 is a big
no,
number
no,
to
but before
accommodate
the,
them at home.
yes, no, but I don't know how we manage. We manage. I
Okay.
think the people who are living in city area, they feel so, but in village area it is very common, and 50 is very
Okay.
less count for Bharati. I
Okay.
could say
Yes.
there are. I mean, before COVID, more than 100 Bharatis are always there in ceremony.
Okay. Okay. And how many
Yeah,
days do they stay back?
one day only. I mean, one
Okay.
night. Yeah,
Okay. Then it's
they
fine.
come in the evening. They
Mhm.
spend all over the night, and
Mhm.
puja and the rituals go on. And early
Mhm.
in the morning, they
Leave.
take, yeah, they leave. They take
Take the
bride.
bride and
Take
okay.
the bride. Yeah,
So it
bride,
is
right?
normally the
Yeah,
evening
bride.
marriage what you have. It's the evening marriage,
Yes, yes.
late evening you can say,
Late
and
evening.
late
Yes,
evening.
in the evening, Barati comes. I mean, with
Hmm.
baja and saja, and they just walk around the place for
Mhm.
1-2 hours. Then
Mhm.
after around 9 p.m., I could say 9, 8 to 9 or 10,
Mhm.
the puja starts,
Okay.
and the puja goes on
Till
for five
morning.
hours, 6 hours till morning. And early in the
Okay.
morning, like 4 a.m. around, or 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. It
Mhm.
depends. Yeah, the vidai system, vidai farewell ceremony.
Yes.
Say,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, that is the
Okay.
final ceremony in that marriage process, I could say.
And the whole village takes part in this kind of marriage.
Yes,
Because I had heard in one region, the whole village actually is part of this marriage. Each one of them, they cook something, they contribute, and whenever the groom side they come to their village, each one of them they go ahead and treat the groom. So that is what the custom is, and they are so close that everyone, like they say, that our daughter is getting married. It is
yes,
not
yes.
only the daughter of one family, but it is the
Family.
daughter of the whole village.